So the first here, we prepared 5 grams of garlic, 5 grams of shallots, and 5 grams of betel leaves. And then we add some chicken powder, soup, and then we add some fish sauce to it, and then let it marinate it for 30 minutes. Moving to this part, I will show you how to fold a betel leaf. Here we add some meat into the middle of the leaves, and then just make sure that you spread it all flatten out on the leaves, and then fold both sides of it into the middle, and then start from the bottom to the top. Just roll it. Moving on to the next part, just make sure that your pan is on high heat, and then add betel leaves all in. Just spread it out carefully, just like that, and cook for 3 minutes on each side to another, and then flips just like this, and make sure they got a little brown or just black on each side, and then when it's done, just go ahead and take it out. And this to the final part. Just eat it with fish sauce, dip it in, and eat it with white rice. Just make sure that you got white rice and fish sauce with you. It goes perfectly with these. Enjoy!